Takot ka bang mag-RRSP kasi feeling mo magbabayad ka din naman ng tax someday at hindi mo rin agad magagamit yung pera mo? Honestly, ito yung pinaka-common na naririnig kong excuses o mga dahilan sa ating mga Pilipino dito sa Canada. That mindset could actually be costing you thousands of dollars. RRSP doesn't remove tax, it just delays it. Tax deferred nga siya eh. That's actually a very smart move. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka magbabayad ng tax ngayon kung hindi later pa kapag retire ka na. So you're actually saving big on taxes today but paying less later. Number 2 reason is RRSP can give you a tax refund. Kapag tama ang pagkakaset up mo ng RRSP, pinapababa niya yung taxable income mo. Meaning, babalik sa'yo ang pera mo through a refund. Number 3 reason is RRSP is going to be your future paycheck. Pag retire ka na, saan ka sa tingin mo kukuha ng income? Yung RRSP mo ang pwede mong gawing steady monthly income kapag retired ka na. Number 4 is not using RRSP. Sayang ang opportunity mo to save on taxes kasi takot ka na matataksan ka in the future. Guess what? Magbabayad ka pa rin naman ng tax. Pero with RRSP, nabibigyan ka niya na chance to lower your taxes today. And sobrang powerful nitong RRSP kung alam mo lang kung paano ito gamitin ng tama. Follow me for more personal finance tips here in Canada.